Alright guys, welcome back. Today we're going to try something new here. Let me open it up. And what we're going to work with today is Ultima Wheel Cleaner Gel. Now I got this over at autoforge.net. I've not tried this one. It smells, I'm always afraid to smell wheel cleaners, as I should be. And you shouldn't be smelling your products. Don't be a sniffer. Maybe some cleaner with some lemon in it. Not something you want to really eat. Alright, so it comes with the sprayer. Let me put the sprayer on, and this is supposed to be used on some wheels. You're going to spray it on, let it sit for 30 seconds. You can agitate it with your wheel brush, and then rinse it thoroughly. Rinse the wheel thoroughly. So we're going to use this, and we're going to use a waterless wash for the rinse. And I'll be using a brush here. Let me pick out a brush to use for cleaning the wheels there. So let's get to it right now. That is Ultima Wheel Cleaner Gel. Let's go. All right guys, I've got my Fantech sprayer for the rinsing part. We've got the wheel cleaner gel. This is the wheel right here, so you can see it. Pretty dirty. It is on this car that we use, that I use for testing stuff. So let's take a look inside here. Let me get a picture. Very, very bad. All right, so let's get this. Let's open up this wheel cleaner gel. Now it says go ahead and spray it and let it sit for 30 seconds. Sprayer is leaking a little bit down here. I'm gonna do about half of this. I'm gonna give it some nice sprays here. I'm gonna let it sit for 30 seconds. Let me get a towel. Alright, so I walked over, I got a towel there. This is just a dirty wheel towel. So let me wet some of this stuff up. Let's start with me getting out of the way there. Let's see what happens here. Now guys, when I first sprayed this, I walked away for a second to go grab a towel, and the product actually dried. So I'm over here scrubbing and it's kind of dry, so I needed to rehydrate it and then scrub it, and that's when the results started to see what was really going on here. Product really shining at that point. Inside there. Well, the outside here has gotten nice and clean. You can see the dirtiness. The inside has gotten better. I'm going to dry it halfway. All right, guys, so very cool. Today we're talking about the Ultima Wheel Cleaner Gel. Very simple product to use. Get it, you spray it on some dirty wheels. It says it clings to wheels, quickly removes brake dust, safe for all types of wheels. Sprayed it on those wheels over there. This thing doesn't move. I couldn't tell you the last time it's been driven anywhere, so it just gets caked with dirt day after day. And since it's been driven, who knows when it was last cleaned, but very dirty wheels over there. Lots of brake dust and grime. Sprayed it, let it dwell for about 30 seconds. I scrubbed it with different types of brushes. And then it dries up. I just rehydrate it again with a little bit more spray and keep scrubbing. After that, I take the Fantic. This is my portable waterless wash. Sprayed it down inside there, and you guys saw the results. I'd say they came out about 90% better. The only better I could do is get inside those barrels and really scrub down, which would probably have to take the wheel off, or just be really uncomfortable trying to get in there with whatever brush you want to use. But as for the product, yes, it did a fantastic job, and just easy to use. It didn't bother my nose. It wasn't stinky. It didn't make my sinuses run. And I'd give it about a 9 out of 10. So guys, if you want something real easy to use, go on over to autoforge.net. Check out this product. It'll be there with a lot of other great products you can use. Talk to you later. Let me know if you've used any of this type of product, what you use for your wheels, or what you think of Ultima Wheel Cleaner Gel. Thank you.